Hey Genius Junkies! Welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today, we're diving into Canva, the ultimate design tool for creating stunning visuals quickly and easily. Let's start with the Canva dashboard. When you first log in, you'll see a variety of templates for social media posts, presentations, and more. Creating a design. To create a design, click on the Create a Design button. You can choose from predefined sizes or enter custom dimensions. Let's select an Instagram post template. Canva provides you with a plethora of templates to choose from. Simply click on one to start customizing. Using Canva tools. Now, let's explore some essential tools. First, the Elements tab, where you can add shapes, lines, illustrations, and photos. Next, the Text tool. You can add headers, subheaders, and body text. Canva offers a variety of fonts and text styles. Don't forget the Uploads tab. Here, you can upload your own images or use Canva stock photos. Customizing your design. Customization is key. You can change colors, fonts, and sizes to match your brand. Use the toolbar above to make these adjustments. Saving and sharing your design. Once you're happy with your design, click the Download button to save your work. You can choose from various formats like PNG, JPEG, or PDF. You can also share your design directly on social media or via a link. And that's it. A quick overview of Canva's powerful tools. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.